Hi, everyone. Welcome to a wonderful Wednesday. Here we want to find the equation of two lines. These lines want to intersect at Slimer because we have two Ghostbusters here, and they want to cross the streams where the ghost is. And the centers of each Ghostbuster are the green point and the blue point, and Slimer is at the red point. So let's first hook up Kirsten Wig with Slimer. I noticed that to go from the point -2, 7 to 3, 6, I have to go down 1 in the y, but I have to go over 5 in the x. So this will have a slope, y equals -1 over 5 multiplied by x. Notice that this line is kind of parallel with those 2 points, but it's way too low. So we need to lift it up, and it's going to have a b value somewhere in between 4 and 5. If I draw a line from around like along here through to here, then it's going to cross between 6 and 7. So let's find out what that b value is. I could use a slider here and just play with values and find where is that going to be. It's about there. It is about exactly there. Okay, it's actually exactly there, 6.6. All right, how can we algebraically find that? Well, we would work from this line here. I'm just going to copy it. Copy, create a new one, and I'm going to say, well, there's some b value that makes this true, but I'm going to input one of my points. This point here, -2, 7, that looks easy to work with. 3, 6, even easier to work with. So I'm going to work with 3, 6. When x is 3, y is 6. So I just substitute those in. And then I'm going to evaluate this. -1/5 multiplied by 3, well, that is equal to 3/5. Top times top over bottom times bottom, so that is 3. -3/5. 6 is equal to -3/5 plus some value b. So let's add 3/5 to both sides. 6 plus 3/5 is equal to b. And then we'll find that b is indeed equal to 6.6 because 3 over 5 is 0.6. We can also scale this up and say 6 is 30 over 5. Add those together to get 33 over 5. And that is indeed our b. We'll find that that is 6.6 here, you see. So that's one of our lines, plus 33 over 5 or 6.6, whichever you prefer. And so that line will hit Slimer. So she is on target. Now let's connect Venkman at -5, 0 to Slimer at 3, 6. So now we want to put a line through Venkman and Slimer. So here, to go from 6 to 0, well, I need to go from Venkman, to go up from 0 to 6, I need to rise 6. And then to go from -5 to 3, I need to run 8. So this is y is equal to rise 6 and run 8. And that's multiplied by x. Notice again, this is a line parallel with those 2 points, but below them. The y-intercept is going to be somewhere in between, and it looks like it's going to be around 3 and a bit. So let's add we could add a b and then do a slider to see where exactly is that going to be. And then I play with it and I find, well, it's around there, 3.7. So it looks like it's going to be like 3 point, somewhere in here, probably 3.75, be my guess. Now, let's algebraically find that. I don't know b yet, but I do know that this point, -5, 0, is going to be fairly easy to work with. So let's copy this. I'm going to put this down here, boop, and we're going to input -5, 0. X is -5. So I'm going to put brackets -5 here, and y, when x is -5, y is 0, okay, for this line. So now, 6 over 8 times -5, well, that's going to give me 0 equals -30 over 8 plus some value b. And now I add 30 over 8 to both sides. So that would be 30 over 8 equals b. One thing that we could have done as early as up here is reduce this fraction. 6 over 3, you'll notice that's the same thing as 3 over 4. Okay. So here we take out that extra factor 2, and so we divide 30 by 2, that's 15. We divide 8 by 2, that's 4. So 15 over 4 is my b. 15 over 4 happens to be 3.75. So let's put that in here. 3.75. There we go. So now the two Ghostbusters are crossing the streams right at Slimer, and they're sure to destroy this pesky poltergeist. Bye for now, everyone. I hope your math practice is fruitful.